What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. I've been keeping a vehicle secret from you, and a lot of you guys have pointed it out. It is a 2020 Ram 3500 single wheel. It has been my tow rig for the past almost a year now. We're about to completely transform the tow rig. I was lucky enough to get my hands on my all-time favorite wrap by Tech, which is their Ruby Star. They have the best wrap material on the market. It has a beautiful, insanely glossy and paint-like finish, and I cannot wait to get it on my 3500. I'm a little nervous because I have no idea how wild this is going to be. Okay, the truck looks absolutely amazing. They are so close at this point to finishing it. Last night I attempted to learn how to wrap, ended up taking the door cards and trying to redo one of the trim pieces so that it matches the exterior color and brings it to the inside of the truck. Now, I did one piece and it took me like 15-20 minutes. I kid you not, this like tiny piece. And Adam did the whole thing in 5 minutes. So I did one piece, Adam ended up doing the other 3. He was way better at wrap than I was. And now the only parts that need to be finished up are this door jamb on this side and then another one on this side. But they have done such an incredible job. Seamless door jambs, like it literally looks like paint. And the Tech wrap just looks, I mean, it looks like paint. It has such an awesome finish. And I cannot wait to see this in the sunlight. Because this color, when it's actually outside, does look a little bit more pink. And inside it looks more purple. But I have some things that I need to get done before they show up tonight to finish up the truck. And one of those things is painting the door handles. So in order to wrap this, they were saying there would be so many seams, and then you would still pull up the door handle and see white. So they ended up just wrapping the middle, which looks awesome, and then I'm going to paint the white part, trim like satin black. So I have to paint all of these, and I'm also going to black out most of the emblems. I did order a whole new set that already comes black, so it has a different shades and it looks a little bit better than it all being one color. But for now, I'm gonna also black out the emblems. And for the mirror, these are chrome. we're getting rid of all the chrome. I also think that I want to paint this part and the ram and this part to completely get rid of like every bit of chrome on the truck. But this is coming along so well. I really like can't believe this is actually happening because I've talked about this for a really, really long time and I'm super happy with it. Okay, so here's our bag of truck emblems. We're just gonna spray them with the trim paint, okay? And the paint that I got, I'm using this 1K black satin trim paint, especially for the grill and all these other pieces. I don't want it to be gloss black on the gloss pink. I want it to be satin and just have more dimension to it. And this is going to be a whole lot easier as well. So all of this is getting this. Everything is hung up. I ended up wedging a plug that I use for powder coating in all of the handles so it's propped open and I can get paint on the inside there. I actually put a glove on the back of it to protect the wiring and more tape, and now we're good to go. Handles are done. I started untaping as well. And they're looking so good. Much, much better. And I'm really, really glad that they wrapped the centerpiece just so it had a little bit more dimension to it. But overall, it's really, really nice. And it has a great finish. So if you're ever just trying to keep things a lot more simple, this stuff is fantastic. I also painted the main ram badging that goes on the tailgate, and it turned out a lot better than I thought it would. Very nice. And now I have new badging coming that is blacked out, but I'm realizing I should have just done this, because this is gonna look amazing. So because these need to be installed literally in a couple hours, I'm going to throw them in our prismatic powder coating oven at like 130 degrees Fahrenheit for like 15 minutes just to help it fully cure a lot faster. It is the next day and we are down to one remaining chrome piece that we're going to black out. Because like I said, we are getting rid of every trace of chrome that is on the truck. And the last part is also the biggest part, which is the grill. So all of this under there is gonna get blacked out, and I was freaking out as I thought I was gonna have to tape this entire thing off in order to hit the chrome. because these metal tabs in here are just super gnarly, very stiff and brittle, and I wasn't able to get them out, but Ray, of course, showed me the way. So now I'm going to be taking out all the chrome pieces. It's gonna be so much easier to paint with it not in the entire assembly. So this is the very last major part of the transformation process. I'm excited to get it done. Okay, man, blacking out the drill was such a massive project because there were so many pieces that you had to just keep digging deeper and tearing apart in order to remove just the chrome pieces only. But it's fully assembled and we just got it back on the truck. It looks so good. I love it. And like now seeing everything fully come together. Look at the tent that they installed last night. I don't know how well you can see it on camera, but it has that like exact same pink tone in this chameleon tint film. I'm so happy. This is definitely the most extra tow rig ever. Now the only thing driving me crazy is the chrome on the wheels. We're definitely gonna do something about that, and the 3500 badging on the side. But anyway, moving past that, the drill is officially installed, and now for the last piece of this entire transformation, we're putting the blacked out Ram badging on the rear. And just like that, I would like to introduce you to my completely transformed Ram 3500. I'm beyond happy with how everything turned out. The team absolutely killed it. If you guys are in the Orlando area, I'll put their Instagrams right here. Hit them up. They are like the ultimate dream team. They got me believing in rap again. They did so, so good. And what is incredible is that the door jambs on the truck are seamless. Look at this. Look for the seam, look for the seam. You're not gonna find one because there isn't one. So the way that G did this was by laying down an entire piece and cutting through it. It's so good. And on top of that, this is my very first vehicle that I'm getting wrapped with a nose attach, and the finish is just, it's beautiful. It honestly looks like I got a full custom Ruby Star paint job on this thing. I'm so sold on wrap. It looks absolutely beautiful, and I'm so happy that I was able to find the Ruby Star pink, which is just such a rad paint to sample, Porsche color, and now it's on the ridge. So that is it for this video. Let me know what you guys think of this insane transformation in the comments below. I'm so in love with this truck now, and now you guys are officially introduced to the Ridge. I have a few more mods in mind for this truck. Definitely want to get some wheels. There are 2 badges that are actually on the hood that I'm waiting for the blacked out 3500 badges to get in. That is the one thing kind of driving me a little crazy. Other than that, the biggest thing left for this truck is just wheels. I'm not gonna go too crazy, but I'm not gonna lie, seeing this transformation has got me wanting to do a bunch of other stuff. So comment below, let me know what you guys think of this transformation and what mods should be next for the Ridge.